Hey guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video I will talk you through on how to change the aircon belt on a 1HZ engine. The only thing you really need is a 12mm socket and a wrench. So here we can see our aircon belt, our aircon compressor and a pulley. So first we start off with undoing that nut on the pulley. Just crack that. Fuck that. That's pretty tight actually. We over tightened that a bit last time. And then there's another one up here where we can adjust the tensioner with. So we're gonna undo it until the pulley is all the way down and we can take the belt off. Oh, there we go. It is a bit hard to see, but down there is our harmonic balancer, where that belt is actually running on as well. To take this one off, we have to take it off down the bottom, and then we're gonna get it around the fan. So on top of the fan, then we try to spin it until the whole belt is on the other side of the fan. So the reason why I'm changing it is the belt is pretty much cracked and it starts to squeak all the time, and I did tighten it up a few times, but as you can see there's cracks all over the belt, and that's why I'm going to change it. I don't want that thing to let go while I'm driving on the highway on a hot day. Can't really be bothered driving without aircon. With the new belt we obviously try to just put it in reverse order. I always would like to actually read what's on there. Sometimes they have a direction, so there might be an arrow pointing that way or something like that. But first thing, just try to get it over the fan as well. It's a little trick getting this belt back on, and the trick is you just try to squeeze it in between the radiator and the fan, and then you just pull it towards the engine that you can put it back on. And when you put it on, there will be only one more groove on the harmonic balancer where you can put it on, and obviously the groove on the aircon compressor and our tensioner pulley as well. The belt is back on. We're gonna tension it back up. So we're using our wrench and our socket again, and then we tighten up the top part of the pulley. At the same time we're going to check that the belt is still on the harmonic balancer. It might take a bit of time. When we tighten it up we always check the tension as well. So you still want to turn the belt like 90 degrees down here or on the other side here, but at the same time you don't want to twist it more than 90 degrees. It's pretty tight on this side down there, so we're going to tighten the pulley up as well. Okay, so let's run the car and have a listen. If it's still squeaking, we have to obviously tighten it up again, but it is pretty tight on there, so hopefully it doesn't squeak. Let's start it up. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope I was able to help you at least a bit with your little project at home. If you want to see more videos, you can subscribe or feel free to like, and yeah, see you next time.